Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share with you my quick chicken parmesan recipe with spaghetti. It's a recipe great that can be done in less than 25 minutes. For this recipe you need some very thin cut chicken breast that you're going to season first and coat with some eggs, flour and parmesan to end. You want the very thin cut chicken so it can cook quickly and so you don't get pink chicken at the end, so make sure it's very thin cut on medium high heat. I just cook my chicken and you flip on both sides and there it is. And then for the sauce you're just gonna melt some butter, have some garlic and some parsley. You can put some thyme if you want, but I just enjoy parsley right now. And I added some garlic, parsley and some chicken stock for the seasoning. It's a light sauce that is perfect. Reminds me of my day in Italy. They eat very simple pasta. Doesn't have to have extra cheese, but by all means, if you want extra cheese or you want to add some creme fraiche, you can do that as well. But there it is. So it's a quick, easy recipe. You wait until the sauce reduces a little bit, and then you just add your pasta and your spaghetti, and your food is ready. So that's a quick recipe that my kids enjoy. They don't like very complicated sauce, so I make it simple. It's tasty. You can taste all the garlic and the parsley, and it's just perfect. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy it and that you will try on a day when you're on the go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.